So today's video I'm going to be playing with my Killer Queens Cosmetics pigments, and I think I'm going to use this pink and this like neon yellow shade. So I'm going to be going in with those today. So I'm going to go in with that top pigment, and it literally is filled to the top of it. So I'm just going to go in with what's on the lid. I'm just going to take that on my blending brush. Just take that, and I'm going to pat that in my crease. Oh yes, now there's going to be fallout for sure. Pigment. I'm going to go in with a pencil brush and go to the inner corner. Oh my god, I literally just dabbed this into the top of it, and it literally pretty much took nothing. Like, you will never run out of these pigments ever, I feel like. I'm just patting that on. So oh my god, look how vibrant that is. Oh, I love it. This is my Morphe M506 brush, and I'm just going to buff that out. I'm going to go in with my MAC 224 brush and buff that. So now I'm going to really cut my crease. Okay, so now that I have that down, I'm going to go in with the neon yellow pigment, and I'm going to place that directly on top. So I'm going to do this other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have the other eye down, so I have both carved out as best as possible. I got them as similar as they could be. So I'm actually low-key, high-key loving this look so far. So I'm going to go to foundation now, and the foundation I wear is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. This is in the shade Amber Beige. And and I am running super low on this. I am like scraping the bottle, but I love this foundation so much. It's my favorite one. I would recommend it to anyone. Yeah. Now it's telling me my battery's dying. So I'm going to blend a little bit of this out. So I'm gonna go do a concealer off camera and charge this a little bit, and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I have foundation on, I have concealer on, I powdered my face, all that. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer again, and I'm gonna go onto the waterline. I'm actually gonna use the shade Light Peach from the Camo Concealer from e.l.f. And I'm going to be placing that on my waterline because I'm going to put the neon green yellow shade on my waterline. Okay, so now that I look crazy right now, I'm actually gonna go in with the pink shade that I went in with, place that on the lower lash line. Okay, so now that we have the lower lash line done, I'm gonna go in with mascara and lashes, and mascara I'm using is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. And then for lashes today, I'm gonna be going in with my Dangerous lashes from the brand Get It Beauty in the style Sinner. And these are what they look like. So I'm going to pop some mascara on and these lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so lashes are on, and the lashes I'm using, like I said, are the style Sinner from Get It Beauty. And I put on bottom mascara, as well as I put pink little jewels underneath my lashes. I decided to do that just because I've never done that, and I've actually really like how it looks. And so this is the eye look finished, and I'm going to go in with my Gerard Cosmetics, the Honeymoon palette. I'm gonna go in with the Forever bronzer, and it just bronze up my skin. Now I'm gonna go directly across and use Wiped Up blush. So you probably aren't gonna believe me, but I've changed my lip color like twice. This is the third time because I don't know what kind of lip I want to do, type of thing. So I'm gonna go in with my Milani liquid lipstick in the shade Adorable. So today's look, I'm going to be going in with a gloss. I know, shocker, surprise, I normally never do gloss, but I'm going to be going in with Gerard Cosmetics Buttercream. And this is actually my favorite lip combo. I usually do this lip combo with the lip liner in Everything Nice. But I can't find my sharpener, so I'm not using a lip liner today. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of Amrezy highlighter from Anastasia and the Wet n Wild Precious Petals. And once you are done with highlighter, this is the final look. So that is it. This is the final look. I hope you guys liked this video. This was such a fun look to do. I love doing a bold, like, graphic liner type of look, and then just using like pigments. They're so good. These pigments from Killer Queens Cosmetics are really, really good. Absolutely love them. And you guys definitely should try them out because, I mean, clearly look at my eyes. They look amazing. And yeah, like, this look was so much fun to do. I'm obsessed with how the look turned out. I hope you guys did as well. Give this video a thumbs up if you did. This definitely gives me like summer vibes, like pink lemonade vibes is what I'm getting from this look, and I absolutely love this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Both those are at tobinmua. Subscribe below if you're not already. Give this video a thumbs up before you go, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.